Have you ever seen someone build $1 million home and then wedge a kitchen like it was an afterthought? Like, oh yeah, let's just toss some cabinets in the corner and call it good. No, that's not how you build a home. That's how you build regret. Smart homeowners, and I mean really smart homeowners, know that the kitchen isn't just a room. It's the anchor, it's the heart, the hub, the headquarters. You don't just design around it, you build from it. Think about it. Where do your friends naturally gather? Where do holidays happen? Where do you sneak that midnight snack, cook that anniversary dinner, pop champagne, or sip your Sunday morning espresso? It's in the kitchen. It's the backdrop for your life. It's your rhythm, your rituals, your relationships. So why in the world would you let your builder hand you some generic builder-grade blueprint with a sad little box labeled kitchen and say, this is where the magic happens? You want magic? Start with the kitchen. Let that be your North Star. When you design the kitchen first, intentionally, masterfully, it changes everything. The flow of the home improves, entertaining becomes seamless, function meets elegance, storage meets soul, and you're not fighting the layout, you're dancing with it. And suddenly, the rest of the house just falls into place. You don't build a castle and then figure out where to put the throne. The kitchen is the throne. Design it first, build around it, and never settle for standard. You're not just building a house, you're building your life. So if you're ready to anchor your dream home in a kitchen that actually feels like you, apply for a complimentary design consultation at our Dallas studio.